Python scrapy, extract data from.
I'm pretty new to Python and Scrapy, that's why I created a project for myself to learn it.
But at the moment I'm struggling to get the data from following page, website to crawl.
As I could see with the developer tools from Chrome/Firefox, there are 8 tables with the class like this. Table class equals scfhxwqh2fa. In this picture structure and table I'd like to extract, you see the structure and the column, td, where the value is equals wheelchair accessible that I want to extract.
The value is in the second column and it is a picture tag. It is to read like this, if I can find it, in this case wheelchair accessible, the value equals true. If I can't find it at all, then the value equals false.
I managed things around it like browsing through the parent detail 3 of website. But now I can't browse to the correct xpath to find this table with class equals scfhxwqh2fa. I tried to narrow it down to the very basics in the shells md.
The full path to the wheelchair accessible. Unfortunately, above code doesn't give anything back. I don't get any error, but also no print that I would expect. What am I doing wrong?
I imagine can't be that difficult. Once I found the correct table, how would extract the data from the table to a JSON the easiest and fastest way? I imagine this will be quite slow, as basically I need to parse the whole HTML code several times to find if each property description is there or not.
I appreciate all your help or any tips. I already invested a couple of days trying to figure it out.
There is no need to request HTML, scrape node values and put them into JSON, as required data already comes from API in JSON format. Simply try. Then you can get required data like output.
If I understood you correctly, check each article node with h2 followed by table.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.